Good morning students. I hope you all are fine and healthy. So today we will start new chapter. The name of the chapter is Input and Output Devices, chapter number 3. So in this chapter we will cover these topics: input devices, keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, microphone, web camera, touch screen, output devices, monitor, printer and speakers. So first question is, what do you mean by input? Actually, input means the data and instruction that we entered into the computer is called input. And the device that help in entering, we call it as the input devices. So in simply, we can say that the devices through which we tell the computer what to do are called input devices. So now some basic input devices are, first is keyboard. This is an image of keyboard. So keyboard is an input device which is used to type words and numbers, etc. into the computer. Next is mouse. And mouse is an input device which is used to draw pictures and select objects on the computer screen. And it is also known as pointing device. Next is joystick. Joystick is an input device which is used to play games on the computer. Next, scanner. Scanner is an input device which is used to copy and send images to the computer. And these images can be in the form of photographs, drawing or logos. Next is microphone. This is an image of microphone and it is also an input device which is used to record voice in a computer. Next is web camera, just like a digital camera, but web camera that is used to capture photograph and stored it in a computer. Next is touch screen. Touch screen is also an input device through which the data is entered by simply touching the screen using a finger, just like a smartphone. Next topic is output devices. So again, first question is, what do you mean by output? So output means useful information. Output is the data that has been processed into a useful form of information. And output devices, the devices that help in displaying the information, are called output devices. Now here are some basic output devices. First is monitor. Monitor is an output device which is used to display the output on its screen, and information on the monitor is referred to as a soft copy. And monitor is also known as VDU. VDU stands for Visual Display Unit. Next is printer. So printer is an output device which is used to get output on a paper, and we call it as a printout. Next is speakers. Speakers are an output devices and they are used to get output in a form of sound. So you can listen to music and other sounds from the computer with the help of speakers. So some basic input devices are keyboard, mouse, joystick, scanner, microphone, web camera and touch screen. These are some basic input devices. And some basic output devices are monitor, printer and speakers. Thank you.